Hallelujah. Bengizofika ngiqhawe. Akabonkulu. Isihlabelele ngesami ngabe ngathi ngelinye ilanga ngidlula ngoba lapha eSiyoni uma ungahlala ulokubheka usebusweni bakho sasibamba uyodina usele wedwa isikhathi seworship yeworship lokubhekele lendoda le ubhutuyi ithini ngithi Kristu msindisi wethu uthemba labo bonke balahlona haleluya yazi ikhona into engithandela lesona uma kwethu make an appointment for me. I don't know whether we were Bishop Straight, Noma, Sasso Zagin. Bese mina crashed. Gonja manyantebis. Yabana ma utole mina. Utolu big fish kuma. That's let's travel. We are in Tenamang said that we have taken the right decision. You see, we have taken the right decision. Hallelujah. Ubote. Ubiting aglunge. Ufulame. Kera